Hello students, let's be real. School keeps us busy, but expenses keep coming. How can you make extra money in 2026, even with your studies? In this video, I will show you side hustles students can start now. Some need a phone, others need little money to start. Let's go. Listen, relying only on allowances, part-time jobs, or scholarship won't always cover your needs. A side hustle will help you gain financial independence, learn real work skills, and build experience for future opportunities. And the good news is many side hustle in 2026 can be done with your phone or with your laptop. In this video, I'm going to be explaining 7 skills that you can do alongside with your studies that can make money with for you to help you meet your needs. My name is Rita Onoha. My channel talks about how to make money, how to increase it, and also to be financially independent. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to be learning a lot from me, and also share this video, turn on the notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. What are these 7 skills you can learn as a student that can make you money? Number 1 is content creation. Content is the currency now. Content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, they are all good minds. Students can create content about their college life, their study tips, gaming, lifestyles, tutorials. Then you can earn through ads, through brand deals or affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is just to be consistent over perfection. Do it over time. Brands can be reaching out to you to run ads for them, or you can make money using your affiliate link of any product you wish to promote. Number 2 ways or 2 side hustles you can do alongside with your study is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, they allow students to offer services such as writing, copywriting, graphic design, video editing, virtual assistant, or even social media management. You start with small gigs. You have small businesses to make more money, and you can also use your schedule as a student to make a side money by yourself by freelancing skills that you have known. Number 3 is tutoring or academic help. Use your knowledge to help other students. You can create tutorial classes, teach your subject online or in person or even after class. Create on Saturdays, you can come out and teach your fellow students, tax them, they will pay you for teaching them what you know. You can offer exam tips, you can sell past questions, you can run study groups, and these things can be done alongside with your studies and to make more money for you as a student. Number 4 ways you can make money or business you can do alongside with your studies as a student is selling digital products. We can't overemphasize this. A lot of students are selling digital products, either their own digital products or they are affiliating other people's products. What do I mean? They are helping other vendors sell their products. With that, they earn commission. You can also create your small digital products, your study notes, your sheets or templates in Canva, your resume, your planner, and sell them on WhatsApp, sell them on Instagram, sell them on TikTok, sell them on Telegram, on any social media of your choice. It requires low effort and also recurring income. If you create the course once, you'll be making money from it. You can also sell other people's own without you bothering any web bill or anything. You can sell digital products. So that is that. Then number 5 side hustle you can do is a drop shipping. Number five business you can do alongside with your study is drop shipping. You can sell products online without inventory. Use platforms like Jumia, Gigi, Instagram, Shopify to sell these products. You drop ship small items with low investment. How does it work? You have a vendor in your area that sells shoe. All you need to do is to get pictures from that vendor, Post it on your status, post it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, and people start indicating interest. I want this. How much are you selling? Then the vendor have already told you this is it. If I'm selling 20,000, you can tell your customers 25,000. And at the end, if you close that sales and the person buys, you have automatically made 5,000. All you need to is to do the way bill, send to the buyer, and it's very perfect for students with limited space and time. It gives you much more money. All right. Number 6 business you can do alongside with your study is AI powered hustle. AI tools in 2026 will make student hustle easier. You use AI to write content or essay, your project, anything. AI can generate designs for Canva, chatbots for social media management. So you use AI to save time and to increase your output as students, and alongside make money from it. Social media management for small businesses. You can manage small businesses. You can stand as a virtual assistant to small businesses and help them manage their pages, their Facebook page, Instagram page. What will you do? So you can start creating content for them, respond to their messages of their customers, schedule content. Even 1 to 2 hours a day can earn you extra money while you study. Consider being a social media manager for small businesses. They will pay you as you deliver or render services to them. Here are the little tips I'm going to give you. Number 1 is that you're going to start with one skill at a time. You're not going to be doing so many skills plus your studies. So it's going to take up your time. So start with one, then focus on skills that build your resume. As I learn these skills, you can add it to your resume that can help you and give you more opportunity even as you graduate. You can use free tools. YouTube is there, Canva, AI tools, ChatGPT can be there to help you to render these services to people and learn more how to be effective in them. You can track your earning to stay motivated, and remember that hustle should not run your studies. So you should support your growth. You're going to learn time management. You're going to know how to schedule your business and also your studies. So at the end of the day, your studies will not be suffering. In 2026, it is your time to start building financial independence early. Pick a hustle, start smart, stay consistent. Even 1 to 2 hours a day can make a huge gap in your finances. Right? If you want a step-by-step guide on how to start a side hustle with your phone, check the link in my bio. You can start your digital marketing journey. You can start selling other people's products. I have a course on that can teach you. Your life as a student, you don't have to be broke, but it can be productive and also profitable. That's all I have to tell you this hour in this video. Learn these skills as students, make more money for yourself, become financially independent, and again, don't forget to be consistent and intentional. Till I come your way next, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to be learning a whole lot on my pages so that you will be financially independent even as you graduate or while you are still a student. See you. Bye.